This summer, we're trying to find you a few drinks you can take to the pool. And trust me, you're gonna need them when those whiny ass brats start yelling, "Cannonball!" Next month, we're sailing to Jamaica to get some rum. But it's still June until Friday, which means we're still playing with tequila and our playmate, Don Julio. So today I'm going to show you one final cocktail, the Paloma. Let's send the month off with a victory shot. That is my favorite Don Julio, Añejo. The Paloma is based off of an ancient myth about the goddess Paloma and her 3 dogs. Well, it could be, but how would you know? You see, Paloma loved her dogs, but their incessant barking drove her mad. The only way she could put up with the one she loved was to get sauced. And today I'm going to help you do the same. Let's mix the Paloma. 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. 1/4 ounce of lime juice. Ounce and a half of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. 2½ ounces of a Blanco tequila. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Until we meet again next year, Dom, thank you. Top off with Topo Chico. Give it a light stir and garnish it with some grapefruit. And that's Sir Ricky Bobby's Paloma. Today's word of wisdom is truth. The truth is an honest fact. Everybody wants the truth, but few can handle it. You can't handle the truth. You probably can't offer it either. You see, as kids, we're told to be truthful and don't lie, but the very people telling us that are the same people telling us about Santa, the Easter Bunny, and the Tooth Fairy. It's no wonder we can't stop spreading lies. We as people like talking about the truth without telling it. There's a difference. If somebody has to tell you they're truthful and honest, your fake news flags should go up because you're about to hear some bullcrap. Hör,